Welcome back. The keys we've learned so far can be typed without moving your fingers from the home row. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, and SEM. Now it is time to learn how to move your fingers off the home row to reach the G and H keys. To reach these new keys, you will need to move your index fingers to the sides. Practice extending your right index finger to the left, moving from J to hit the H key, and then back to J. Then try reaching with your left index finger from the F key to the right to press the G key, and then back to F. Always remember to return your fingers to the home keys when moving them. If you practice, it will become habit, and your typing speed will increase. Remember, don't look down at your own keyboard. Keep an eye on my keyboard to help you out. Let's start practicing. J, J, H, 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 J, H, 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 F, F, G, 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 F, G, 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 H, 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 G, 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 J, F, J, F, H, H, J, J, G, G, F, F, G, G, F, F, J, J, H, H, F, F, J, J, G, G, H, 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 G, H, H, G, H, G, H, G, G, H, G, J, F, J, J, F, J, F, J, F, F, J, F, H, G, J, F, H, G, J, F, H, G, J, F, H, G, J, F, H, F, G, J, H, F, G, J, H, H, G, G, J, J, F, F, H, G, H, H, J, H, H, F, H, G, H, G, G, J, G, G, F, G, J, H, J, J, G, J, J, F, J, H, 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 G, H, J, H, F, G, H, G, 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 J, G, F, J, H, J, G, J, 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 F, F, H, F, G, F, J. Wow, that was great. It's time for another break. Stretch out your fingers and relax between these lessons. You can even type on your own while you're away from here if you want to practice. But remember to always look at the screen rather than at your fingers. I'll see you in the next lesson.